Hello students, good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda. As you know, we were discussing continuity. But before this, I want to tell you that please like, share and subscribe our channel Sandipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda, and please watch it till last. See, here question is, discuss the continuity of the function f where f is defined by f of x is equal to 3 if 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1, and it is equal to 4 if 1 is less than x is less than 3, and f of x is equal to 5 if 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 10. So let me tell you one thing first of all, that at which point we have to discuss this continuity. Of course, 3 intervals are given here. So for this, our discussing point we have to discussing point on continuity. See, here 0 is less than or equal to x means x is greater than 0 or x is equal to 0, but x is less than 0 part is not given here. So we can't discuss, we are unable to discuss this continuity at 0. We are only able to discuss it at point 1. Why is it so? Because for less than 1 means LHL we can solve for less than 1, and for equal to 1 that also we can solve, and for greater than 1 because x is greater here than 1 means 1 is less than x, so x is greater than 1. So for x is greater than 1 means for RHL we are able to solve it on point 1. We are able to solve it on point 3 also, because it is less than 3 means LHL we can solve from here, and for greater than or equal to 3, x is greater than or equal to 3, or we can say 3 is less than or equal to x, which is equal to x is equal to 3 here and x is greater than 3. So RHL part we can solve from here. So we can solve it at point 1 and 3. What about 10 now? See, for less than 10 we can discuss, for equal to 10 we can discuss, but for greater than 10 it is not possible to discuss because we are unable to solve the RHL, so we can't discuss it at point 10. So this is not a point to discuss, this is also not a point to discuss. The point to discuss the continuity is either 1 or 3. So at 1 we have to check first of all, at 1, at x is equal to 1 we can say continuity test. See, at x is equal to 1, let us solve LHL, that is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus means less than 1, so it is 3 only. So we can write for limit x tends to 1 minus f of x, it is directly 3 given. There is no variable, so no need to put the value x is equal to 1 minus h or 1 plus h or h we can say. So here it is LHL part 3 directly. Now f of 1 for equal to 1, because we are discussing it at 1, so f of 1 that is also 3. Why is it so? Because for equal to 1 also it is 3 only. Now let us talk about RHL. So RHL is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus means for greater than 1 f of x. What it is? See clearly, x is greater than 1 or 1 is less than x, that is 4. So in RHL it is having value 4. Now LHL is 3, f of 1 is also 3, but RHL is not 3, it is 4. So LHL is equal to f of 1, but it is not equal to RHL. Here what we are discussing? continuity. We have to discuss continuity in 14th, 15th and 16th 3 questions. So LHL is equal to f of 1, but it is not equal to RHL because LHL is equal to f of 1 but not equal to RHL. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1. One more point is there, that is 3, that I have told you already, because at 3 also we have to discuss the continuity. See, from this part, at x is equal to 3, continuity test. LHL, limit x tends to 3 minus, see, point is 3 here, we have to discuss at x is equal to 3. So x tends to 3 minus, what happens? F of x. X is less than 3. So for less than 3, it is clearly mentioned here. What it is? It is 4. Now, for equal to 3. So f of 3, see, f of 3, for f of 3, what happens? For equal to 3, this is the part, equal to sign is not here, so it is 5. It is 5. Now RHL, see RHL is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. Of course, what it is? 3 plus means x is greater than 3 also here. 3 is less than x means x is greater than 3. So, for greater than 3, our RHL part is 5. So, what happens here? Here LHL is not equal to f of 3, but f of 3 is equal to RHL. So, because LHL is not equal to f of 3, but it is equal to RHL, therefore, f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 3. Only these 2 points are there where we have to discuss the continuity. 0 can't we take for solving, 10 also we can't take, that I have told you already. So, in this manner you can finish this type of continuity test at x is equal to 1 and at x is equal to 3. See students, I have told you already that we have to discuss the continuity of the function f, where f is defined by our 15th question. It is f of x is equal to 2x if x is less than 0, and it is f of x is equal to 0 if 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1, and f of x is equal to 4x if x is greater than 1. This is our question. So, let us discuss again that point, at which point we have to discuss the continuity. So, we are having 2 points, 0 and 1. Of course, on both the points we are able to discuss it, because LHL we can discuss for 0 from here, RHL and equal to 0 from here. So, at 0 we are able to discuss the continuity. Now, for LHL, because it is less than or equal to 1, we can apply this part. For equal to 1 also we can apply this part, and for greater than 1 means for RHL we can apply this part. So, we are able to solve it at both the points 0 and 1. So, first of all we have to apply the continuity test at x is equal to 0. So, at x is equal to 0, continuity test. See LHL, that is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. 0 minus means less than x. We have to apply here limit this part we have to apply, because for less than 0 functions this part will be applicable. Limit h tends to 0 f of 0 minus h means what we have to do? We have to substitute the value of x here in this part 0 minus h in place of x. So now it will be limit h tends to 0 2 into 0 minus h. On solving limit, what will happen? It will be 2 into 0 minus 0, that is equal to 0 only. So it is our LHS. Now f of 0 is directly given 0. See, f of 0 equal to 0 for equal to 0. Remember this sign. For equal to 0 it is 0 directly, and for RHL means limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, that is also directly given 0, because RHL means x is greater than 0. 0 is less than x means x is greater than 0. 0 is less than x or x is greater than 0. Both are one and the same thing. So in RHL part it is again 0. What we conclude? See, it is 2 into 0 minus 0, that is 2 into 0 is 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. So because LHL is equal to f of 0 is equal to RHL, therefore f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now what we have to do? We have to apply the continuity test at x is equal to 1. See, this is our question part. Remember this. This is our question. Here we are discussing the continuity. Now at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, what will happen? See, continuity test at x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, our continuity test, that is LHL. What is LHL? For 1, see, less than 1, x is less than 1 means LHL, it is limit x tends to 1 minus, clearly mentioned, for 1 minus f of x. No x is there, so you may write it directly 0. F of x is equal to 0. Because x is less than 1, it is 0 only. For x is less than 1, it is 0 only. Less than means what? Left hand limit. For equal to 1, again it is 0, because equal to sign is also there. So f of 1 is also 0. So f of 1, it is also 0. Now we have to solve RHL. See RHL, limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h. See, limit h tends to 0 f of 1 plus h. 1 plus means what? Greater than 1. For greater than 1, we have to apply this 4x. So we have to substitute the value here now. In place of x, 1 plus h. So it will be limit h tends to 0 4 into 1 plus h. On solving limit, what will happen? It will be 4 into 1 plus 0, that is equal to 4 only. It is equal to 4. So see, at x is equal to 1, what we concluded? At x is equal to 1, LHL is 0, f of 1 is 0, but RHL is 4, because 4 1 are 4. So because LHL is equal to f of 1 but it is not equal to RHL. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x is equal to 1. This we have concluded. At x is equal to 0 it is continuous, but at x is equal to 1 it is not continuous, it is discontinuous. See, I have already told you that up to 14, 15, 16, up to 16th question, this is only the heading. Discuss the continuity of the function f, where f is defined by f of x is equal to minus 2 if x is less than or equal to minus 1, and f of x is equal to 2x if minus 1 is less than x is less than or equal to 1, and f of x is equal to 2 if x is greater than 1. So, at which point we have to discuss the continuity? At minus 1, of course, LHL we can solve. RHL also we can solve for minus 1, because for RHL this will be applicable, x is greater than minus 1, and at x is equal to 1 also we can discuss the continuity, because for less than means LHL we can solve, for equal to 1 we can solve, for greater than 1 also we can solve. So, at minus 1 and 1 we have to discuss the continuity of a function. So, first of all we have to take at x is equal to minus 1. Continuity test. See, LHL, limit x tends to minus 1 minus f of x. See, for less than minus 1 it is minus 2 directly, there is no x, so no need to solve it further, you can write it directly minus 2. F of minus 1 means for equal to minus 1 what happens? For equal to minus 1, see, it is again minus 2. For RHL, limit x tends to minus 1 plus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to, why so? Why we are solving it further? Because here x is there for greater than 1, minus 1. For greater than minus 1, x is here in function. So, we have to put in place of x 1 minus 1 minus h, because at minus 1 we are discussing. So, minus 1 minus h, minus 1 plus h will be applicable for this part, minus 1 plus h, because it is RHL part, minus 1 plus h, remember this thing. So, at h tends to, limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, f of minus 1 plus h, because it is RHL part, minus x is greater than minus 1, x is greater or minus 1 is less than x, minus 1 is less than x or x is greater than minus 1, both are one and the same thing, means RHL will be applicable in this part of the function which is 2x. So, it will become limit h tends to 0, two into minus 1 plus h, means in place of h we can substitute 0 now. So, it will be on solving limit it will be equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 0, that is equal to minus 2. What happens? LHL is minus 2, f of minus 1 is minus 2, RHL is also minus 2. So, because LHL is equal to f of minus 1 is equal to RHL, therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to minus 1. This we have concluded. Now, see again, this is our question. We have discussed the continuity at x is equal to minus 1. Now, we are discussing at x is equal to 1. So, at x is equal to 1, continuity test, LHL. See our LHL part. For less than 1, it is this only. For less than 1, it is this only. So for LHL, limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 1 minus h, that is equal to limit h tends to 0 2 into 1 minus h. On solving limit, it is equal to 2 into 1 minus 0, that is equal to 2. It is LHL. F of 2, what happens? F of 1, sorry, because at 1 we are discussing f of 1. At 1, it is equal to 1 also, this part. So we have to substitute the value 1 here. So it will be 2 into 1, that is equal to 2, means LHL is equal to f of 1 here. Now RHL, see our RHL part, it is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, for more than 1, this is only the part. So limit x tends to 1 plus f of x, that is directly equal to 2, because there is no x, means no variable, means no solution. Only this part we have to write. RHL is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. 1 plus means what? More than 1, for greater than 1. So for greater than 1, it is directly 2. So what we concluded? LHL is equal to f of 1. See, LHL, that is 2. F of 1, that is also 2. RHL, that is also 2. So LHL is equal to f of 1 is equal to RHL. So we can say, therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. See, it is continuous at minus 1 also, it is continuous at 1 also. So here we have concluded that this function is continuous at both the points. It is continuous at minus 1 also, and it is continuous at 1 also. Now remember one thing, thanks for watching our channel Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda, and remember one thing, please do subscribe, please do subscribe, like and share our channel.